Hey, what up, guys? Quick update. So I'm at $20,872. I'm up 5,500. Sorry, $5,052. Um, have I've been adding more buying power. I'm adding $300 a week just to stack up cash so I can buy more things on the dip. If we do get any this year, activity wise, let's see. Uh, I got some Walmart stock split right there. Dividends from Citigroup. Starbucks paid a dividend. And Papa John's paid a dividend of 79 cents. And yeah, I haven't really been buying much. Like I said, last video, just kind of been holding pretty much, getting paid dividends. Oh, Apple, Procter& and Gamble, Stag, Alley. If I do remember, oh, I was buying some hood. This would just be a swing trade. Probably hold on to it a couple more months. I am up on it, like $400 right now. And let's see, buying hood here. Tesla hood. Tesla I was buying around 186. It's at 199, I believe. And yeah, this year haven't really been doing much buying. Just holding. Bought some Mara. That's the Bitcoin play right here. Bought around $17. And then Neo, $6, or around $50 worth. Tesla, $80, around 185. So I am up on these currently. So yeah, that's pretty much it as far as my portfolio. I'll see you guys next time.